Hi guys, my name is Varun Dixit and I am a realtor in Noida. Today I have brought a new luxurious residential project for you. The project name is ATS Pius Orchid and ATS Pius Highways. Yes, these are the two different names of two different phases of a single project. And this project lies in Sector 150 Noida. Guys, ATS is a renowned real estate brand in Noida due to its extraordinary architecture, finest landscaping of delivered projects, and luxurious common area specifications. Now let's see its sample flat. Guys, this is a 3 BHK flat with study room having an area of 1675 square feet. Now this is the entry with an 8 feet high door and a foyer. Here in the beginning is your study room, which is equipped with a toilet. Your child can easily study here with least disturbance as this room is cut off from the rest of the house. Alternatively, this room can be used as an office room as well because it is in the beginning, so it will not disturb the privacy of the house. Now this is a L-shaped living cum dining room. You can have a 7-seater sofa and a 6-seater dining table here. Here is an attached balcony with drawing room. This is a 9-hole golf course land which will be developed by Noida Authority. Now this is your kitchen. This is a good size parallel shaped kitchen, leaving space for your refrigerator. Space utilization is awesome in this kitchen. There is an attached utility balcony where you can put your washing machine. Now it is the first bedroom of the house and this room has no attached washroom, so it can be utilized as kids room. This room has sufficient sunlight. There is a sunken cupboard and an attached balcony in this room. Here is your common washroom. Hanging toilet seat and wash basins are there. Cubicle shower, glass partition is there. Now this is the second bedroom of the house. This bedroom has a wardrobe, an attached balcony and a personal toilet. ATS has given attached balconies with every bedroom in this flat. Now finally, here is your master bedroom. There is wooden flooring in this bedroom. This is your master washroom. This is an attached balcony to this room and it will connect you with the first bedroom. Now let's move out of the flat and observe the view while going out. On my left hand side, there is common toilet, second bedroom and kitchen. On my right hand side, there is first bedroom, living room and study room. This is a 3 BHK plus a study room in 1675 square feet and space management is awesome. See what a magnificent model it is. ATS is known for its ostentatious landscaping. Guys, this road what you are seeing right now is Pusta Road, which will connect you to Kalindi Kunj. It will be parallel to Noida Expressway, so this project is bang on Pusta Road. This is the latest construction updates, guys. Superstructure is almost ready. So guys, here is some basic information about this project. Like, this is a 18-acre land parcel and total 22 towers and 1400 units. And there is approximately 10 acres of central green area. And the possession for phase 1 will be given in December 2023. And of phase 2, possession will be given on December 2026. Guys, if we talk about the connectivity of this project, then Sector 150 Noida is already connected with 3 major expressways. One is Yamuna Expressway and second is Noida Greater Noida Expressway. These 2 expressways are already running and one FNG expressway will be running before December 2023. Sector 150 Noida is connected with Sector 148 metro station, which falls in Aqua Line, and this is also operational. Guys, Pusta Road will connect Sector 150 Noida with Kalindi Kunj and it will be parallel to Noida Expressway. Guys, let's talk about the main USPs of this project. First of all, it is a My One shuttering project. Secondly, there will be only 2 flats per floor and 3 lifts. Thirdly, there are 1400 flats in 18-acre land parcel, where other developers are making 2200 flats in 22-acre land parcel. So here 1400 flats in 18-acre, it's a low density project. Guys, every flat in this project is inside central green facing. So you don't need to buy a roadside flat and don't need to worry about how to resell a roadside flat once you buy it. So guys, finally let's talk about the prices of this project. There is one 3 BHK having an area of 1650 square feet, which will cost you around 1 CR. There is another 3 BHK plus study having an area of 1675 square feet, which will cost you around 1.05 CR. There is one 3 BHK plus servant room plus study room having an area of 2300 square feet, which will cost you around 1.40 CR. And there is last and the biggest flat is 5 BHK flat with servant room having an area of 3200 square feet, which will cost you around 1.85 CR. If you are looking for a flat in ATS Pius Hideways, then do contact me on my given number. Me and my team will be glad to help you. And finally guys, if you like this video, then do like the video and subscribe my channel to see the next hot project in Noida. Also, if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment box or WhatsApp me personally. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.